Indoor growers searching for a wireless way to monitor their plants or crops may be interested in the new Kokonaut wireless climate sensors created by Anton Chan based in Toronto, Canada. The climate sensors have been created to provide a healthier environment and provide an overview of plant growth to maximize yield. Watch the demonstration video below to learn more about the Kokonaut indoor growing sensor. Features of the Kokonaut include the ability to set alerts to send you push notifications when temperature or humidity values change, display a chart of historical data for temperature and humidity, monitor multiple sensors within the application, share sensor information with others allowing them to monitor your growing as well as track vapor pressure deficit, root zone temperature and soil moisture. Kokonaut is now available to back with pledges starting from just £52 or CAD $95 with delivery expected to take place during July 2018. For full specifications and more information about all the available pledges, jump over to the official Kickstarter crowdfunding campaign by following the link below. We will be using the funds from this Kickstarter to obtain FCC verification, FCC 15B, for our W1 sensor as well as casting for the injection mold or purchasing a Form 2 and wash and cure to move enclosure production in-house.